Hello friends, I'm ESKP here, the online math tutor, and everyone raises a question at me, okay? Like why me? I mean they ask me ESKP, or you can say me Ishwardat Kali Prasad, why I should choose you to connect with to learn mathematics. Okay, I know in future also many students, many parents they will have this question. That's why I create this video to clear everything around this. Okay, and it is necessary also because in this fake world only 20% are real, 80% fakeness exists in every field, not only math. You go to grocery store or maybe any field, I don't know, go to any musical instrument players, everything, every parts, you can say, you can imagine. Okay, fakeness exists, so it's better to make it transparent. Okay, why me? That's what uh, you are asking. Okay, it's not about showing off. Okay, I don't like to show off about myself. I just tell everything so that it will be clear for you. Okay, because I have scored 100 out of 100 in mathematics many times. That's the first thing. Many times I have scored it, and it's not fake. It is completely authentic and original. That's what whatever I say here. That is, I will show you with proof. Okay. Second one, in plus 2 science there is one subject also, computer science, C++, coding, everything there. Okay, in that subject also I have scored 100 by 100. Clear? So in two subjects, math and computer science, I have scored 100 out of 100 many times. Not in the board exam. In board exam class 10 math I scored 96, and in computer science I scored 83 by 100. Okay, but many times I had scored. That's why I am uh, I am eligible, completely capable to teach you. That's what my point here. Okay, you getting me? Make sense? Next, I have been a chess champion in chess.com tournaments. Still now I got 33 medals. I'm not playing now because I don't want to waste my time in different fields. I have my own terms and conditions, and life is very limited. Time is small. So whatever times I spend till now, I have uh, I have got 33 medals. First place 6 medals, second place 10, and third place 17 medals. Okay. Next, I have done my BTech in mechanical engineering, 2012 to 16, 4 years. Okay, from one of the top notch institute of India. All engineering guys they know it, NIT Trichy. Okay, it is one of the top most institute, because in India the top institutes are first IIT, like IIT Mumbai, IIT Kharagpur, like this. And NIT Trichy also it comes in a rank like 7 or 8 position, sometimes 6, 5, like this. Okay, so I did my BTech from there, and I'm a college dropout. I didn't finish it. It was my base was from 2012 to 16. Everybody can check. Why I'm telling everything in detail, so that there will be proofs, right? You can check everything because the world is now globalized, very much connected, and you can access to every information. That's why I elaborate here. So these are the four things I just listed here for math world only, not about my entire life, only for math. If you are interested to learn math from me, that's why I just showed these things to you. Okay, so you can question on my intelligence level. Well, I'm not the highest, but just a higher intelligence phenomenon. I'm just a small, extremely small particle in the vast infinite milky cosmos created by the supreme personality of Godhead, Adi Shakti Durga. Okay. the tiniest particle, the smallest particle, one of them. So I don't have any ego or something. Already I am the smallest particle created by the supreme godhead. So you can trust me, okay, and feel that I can take you from 0 to 100 in math. From 0 to 100, 0 means completely zero. If you have nothing in math, then I can take you to the ultimate place, 100. So what is the meaning of 100 here? It has different meanings to different people. I have listed some of them here, and you can define it to your terms, to your wishes, okay. 100 means to pass the math exams, because some people they don't want to go deep into it. They just want to pass the math exam, and that's all. Their ambitions are not related to math world, okay. But for some persons it is to get 60% plus marks in math exams. For some it is 80% plus, 90% plus. For some it is to get 100 out of 100 marks in math, okay. But for some to deeply understand math for engineering, there will be many guys, okay, who will take interest in engineering field, okay. For them math is extremely vital and important. It is the skeleton, the backbone of engineering, okay. Mathematics plus imagination, that is what the invention is, okay. That's why you need it. For some it will be to learn math by heart. They want to just learn it, that's all, so that they can implement it in their real life situations. There will be so many things that can be listed here, okay. Whatever your goal, just think that it is 100, and if you are in zero position, then also I can take you from 0 to 100 in math. Whether you are extremely poor intelligent person, then also don't worry, I can take you. I can everywhere, I can just transform you, okay. Your intelligence level, memory level, everything. That's why I just listed here from 0. 0 means you have nothing. From nothingness to 100, completeness. 0 means whether less, completely lack of intelligence or memory, anything, okay. Just trust me. I just showed you I have the authority. That's why, just because I have done it, because just because I have done it, I can just show you the exact path so that you can just implement them in your life, and you will also get the result that you want, okay. Different results for different people based on their interest, okay. Why? Because these nowadays blinds are leading the blinds, okay. It's like a blind leading the blind game, and they reach nowhere. That's the most disappointed things. It happens. As I told you, 80% tutors are fake, 20% tutors are real, be it in math tutors or some engineering tutors, everywhere. Out of those 20% tutors, 4% are extremely legendary. They can transform you from 0 to 100, okay. That's what, that's all. I don't want to speak a lot, because I don't believe in, talk the talk. I don't trust talk the talk. I just trust walk the walk. Your result will speak about me. I do not believe in all this nonsense and garbage things, okay. Because you will see yourself from the day itself that whether your life is changing or not. Math life, if you get something, you feel it that, okay, by connecting with this tutor ESKP, or you can see me Ishwardat Kaliprasad, by connecting with this math tutor ESKP, I changed a lot. My math life is changing exponentially. Then that is enough for you and me. You will be satisfied, you will stick with me, okay. So if you are interested, then you can connect with me. Now I will show you all these things, because everything I will give you proof. Here you can see my math score. CBSE class 10 result 2008. My batch was 2008 10th class. Okay, now you can see here result archives.nic.in CBSE 10th result. Okay, here you can check it. I have made it dark mode Chrome. So here we have to enter the roll number. 1 second. Where is it? Yes. My roll number was 516 4 times 9 9999. Okay, you can enter this roll number and you will get my result 5169999. So let's see it. Okay, here is this one. My name is Ishwar Dutt Kali Prasad. Okay, my official name for class 10, and my roll number you can check here 5169999. My mom's name also here and my father's name, and my date of birth also here 10/5/92. Okay, so here are the result. Here you can see mathematics score is 96. Okay, 96 out of 100. You can see here, is it like visible to you? Mathematics 96. That's why I'm telling you that I am not fake. It is authentic and original. This is the board exam result, and in real life also, like many tests that's been conducted in school days, also I have got 100 out of 100 many times. I have been the like I used to become toppers, math toppers in my school time also. That's why you can trust me. Okay, friends. Now let's go to chess.com. Chess.com. Here you can see this is my login page. Here you just go here. My user ID is 100. If you search is 100, you will see that. See here hours. Okay, this is my user ID is 100. You can see also in the browser address chess.com hours is 100. I will give all the links also in the description box below. You can check everything here. Okay, my user ID username is 100. Here you can see I got 33 medals, right? 33 medals. So first place 6 medals, third place, second, third place. See this first place, June 20, 2021, May 6, everything like 6 places. Okay, so you can trust me. If you want, if you like to connect with me for math learning, you can have it. Okay, so thanks for watching it. Thanks a lot. Again, I just want to repeat you, my friends, this is not to show off at all. Okay, I don't show at all. Even all my friends, they know it. You can ask everyone also in Facebook. Just you can go and check my friends list. Ask randomly that this guy Ishwar Dutt Kali Prasad, like, does he show off in life about uh, telling blah 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 about your math score or your everything intelligence? They will say no, he never does it. Why I have to show this nowadays in this modern age? Because so that to make a differentiation between real and fake, it has to be clear and transparent, so that you can scan and identify who is the real tutor. Should I connect with him or not, him or her, whoever may be. That's why it is For me it is extremely necessary to show off this for one time only. I don't do it again and again. Okay, so thanks for watching it. I hope that this is helpful for you to measure the quality of a tutor. Okay, and if you are interested, you can connect with me and we will learn on the way. Okay, see you in the next video.